Trading stocks can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be.
Show me the money!
Today I'm going to break down the easiest steps to get started trading stocks and to do so successfully. The last step is super important if you don't want to lose money and want to be profitable right off the bat. By the end of this video, you should be ready to make your first profitable trade. Okay, let's get right into it. Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, this is Wealth Hacks, and we help growth-minded people like yourself build wealth quickly alongside a community of like-minded people from across the globe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies. Tip number one is understand the basics. You need to understand the basics of the stock market.
Okay.
Stocks represent ownership of a company. And when you buy a stock, you're basically buying a small piece of that company. So any news on that company can directly affect the value of your stocks.
It's free real estate.
Start by learning key terms like dividends, market cap, and PE ratio. Websites like Investopedia are great resources for beginners. The second step is to choose the right brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell your stocks. When you're new, it's very important to find a brokerage with low fees, a user-friendly interface, and good customer service. Popular ones are Robinhood, Ameritrade, Webull, and E-Trade. I've personally actually had great experience with Robinhood and Webull. I've put some links in the description so you can sign up if you want. And if you use my link, you can get free stocks valued at anything from $10 up to $200 at the time of this recording.
Hot diggity dog.
Please note that if you're watching this video more than a month from when it was posted, there's a good chance that these promotions may have changed. But please go ahead and click on the links provided and see what promotions are current at the time you're watching this video. It's basically free money. Now, tip number 3 is very important if you're a beginner. I've seen a lot of people get impatient with this one, but I strongly advise that you take this step. And it's starting with a demo account. Before risking real money, you have to practice with a demo account. Most brokerages, especially the ones I linked in the description, offer something called paper trading. And this is where you can start trading real stocks in real time, but with virtual money. This is a great way to get a feel of the market and develop your trading strategy without any financial risk.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Now, tip number 4 is do your research. Even while you're paper trading, treat that virtual money like it's real money. Look at a company's financials, read news articles, and follow market trends. Tools like Yahoo Finance and Google Finance can provide valuable insights. This is really important. Now, before I get to the most important tip of all, one that's constantly made me profitable, and I've almost never heard any creator talk about this, but it's really, really important. Before I get to that one, I want to say tip number 5 would be start small. When you're ready to start trading with real money, my advice is start as small as you can and only use money that you're willing to lose, or rather can afford to lose. Remember that the stock market is volatile and can be unpredictable, and it's important to manage your risk. Now for my final, most important, and kind of weird tip actually. This is a thing that turned me from being just a losing gambler on the stock market into helping me make very intelligent and very profitable decisions. It's to meditate before you start trading. I know this sounds super weird, but if you don't know, your biggest enemy when trading is actually your own emotions.
Oh my God! Wow!
Things like FOMO trading or revenge trading are a few of the reasons most people blow out their accounts and end up quitting. You must remember that for every stock you lose money on, somebody is gaining that money. So what's the difference? A lot of times it just comes down to emotional capacity. So meditating before you begin and being intentional with your breathing throughout the trading process is extremely important. My last bonus tip would be don't be a loner. Join a community. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars from tips on a stock I didn't even know about that somebody posted in a random forum. It's also very important to your mentality to not feel like you're doing this on your own. That's why one of the greatest focuses of this channel is to bring together like-minded individuals so we can all help each other. So don't forget to subscribe so you can join our community. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.